common question we see floating around is, should I be invested in the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is comprised of 500 United States companies in diversified sectors. Instead of investing in, 10 to 30 individual companies across the market, you're instead investing in the index of 500 companies. That way, if one company has a bad day, it's not a detriment to your portfolio because you have 499 other companies that you're betting on performing well. This is largely even considered the S&P 500 index as betting on America. So in that token, it's because all of the companies in the S&P 500 are United States companies. So that way, when you're betting on America, it's choosing that there's going to be growth in that sector. That being said, the S&P 500 has returned great growth. It's shown to be a great investment for a portfolio, with the annualized return over 20 years being just over 10% at 10.9%, and the 5-year return annualized at 15.5%. So this is a great investment to have as a part of a growth sector for your portfolio. Now, again, that being said, though, this is only including those large cap United States equities, and you need more diversification in your portfolio than just that sector in that area. So we want to make sure we're taking into account small and mid cap equities, as well as international balanced with that domestic, and even fixed income depending on your risk tolerance. We want to make sure that those goals that you have set out for yourself are in line with your risk tolerance and making sure that your portfolio balances that well. This is where it's best to let in a financial advisor who can help you find that ideal portfolio balance and make sure that you're on track for your success. And that's exactly what we do here at Wiser Wealth Management. So if you need a consultation to have that discussion, we're happy to help.